Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Okay, so I've seen a few things on the internet. I haven't actually looked at it, so I don't know what's happening and what isn't happening. But I saw some headlines about Yellowstone Park, about some kind of eruption. So let's just have a look around that. Let's see if there's any volcanic eruptions in Yellowstone Park. Are we going to see any volcano eruptions in Yellowstone Park in the near future? Are we going to see any volcanic eruptions at Yellowstone National Park? This is the Witch's Tarot that I'm using by Ellen Duggan. Okay, so volcanic eruptions in Yellowstone National Park. Let's have a look. Ooh, doesn't look so good, does it, with that Ten of Swords coming out there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it does look as if there will be. Okay. It does look as if there will be. We've got the two aces there as well. It's going to affect quite a lot of people, never mind all the animals that live up there. Mind you, they often sense things before we do. They're more in tune with the earth, aren't they? And they often move out of the area. But then again, if it's not a natural disaster, would they pick it up beforehand? Interesting. So we've got these people here again. So people are going to be looking to get out pretty quickly. There might be casualties there as well. Looks like some people are looking to get out but are not sure where to go. They may be cut off. They may not be able to get out. Now my question with this one, is this a natural disaster? I've got the feeling that it is, but I'm going to ask the question anyway. I'm getting the feeling that it is a natural disaster, and it looks like it's going to have a hell of a lot of problems. I'm getting the feeling as well, with the sea coming up on so many of these cards here, that there might be problems out at sea due to this as well. So it could be tidal waves, it could be earthquakes out at sea, anything like that. Well, let's just ask the question. Is the problems at Yellowstone National Park, the volcanic eruptions, is it natural? Is it completely natural? Okay, so the volcanic eruptions at Yellowstone National Park, is it completely natural? Alright, let's have a look here. These are the same cards that came up just as well. So maybe I should have shuffled them up a bit better. Okay, so due to my question, is it completely natural? You know what? I'm getting both a yes and a no from this. I'm getting a yes, but then with the swords there, because we've got the natural in the background, but the sword would also indicate that somebody steps in and makes it worse than what it is. So it's almost like the powers that be who are trying to control everything are taking the opportunity to make things worse. Yeah, secrets being hidden. And people not being able to get out properly. Again, they're going to use it as another distraction for something, aren't they? Yet another distraction for something else that's going on, because while that's going on and everybody's worrying about that and running around for that, they're up to something else. Yeah, so let's have a look at the sea then. Actually, let me just... Okay, are there going to be problems out at sea due to this volcanic eruption? Will there be problems out at sea due to this volcanic eruption? I get the feeling that there is, but let's see what comes up in the cards. Right, so yeah, look, we've got the death card coming up, but we've got, this is shadow side, that's the devil in other packs, the number 15. So it's certain people behind everything, as usual. They are going to take advantage, and yes, there we've got the water coming up as well. We've got earthquakes, we've got yeah, problems with the water, and there as well, people need to go to higher ground. I don't know whether it's going to be a tidal wave or whether it's the sea levels rising. And you know what, if it's sea levels rising, you know what they're going to do? They're going to say, oh, it's climate change. But it's something that they've caused, again, to manipulate things. And of course, there are people who are going to believe it and are not going to think for themselves. Yeah. Justice upside down. There we go again with the sea. Yeah, the sea coming in. Sea levels rising, possibly a tidal wave as well. Okay. And you know, I'm just going to ask a very simple question. Is this going to happen before Christmas this year? Will this problems with the Yellowstone Park and the sea, will all of this happen before Christmas 2024? Let's just see what comes up. This is Tarot of the White Cats that I'm asking this question of. And Judgment. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. We've got the Moon upside down. Oh yeah, this is all planned already. Yeah, very, very quiet. They're trying to say everything's fine. They're trying to play everything down. Oh, everything's fine. You're going to be okay. Don't worry about it. all deceit, lies, all planning, all working together, telling everybody everything's okay, not allowing people to take avoidance of what could be going on. But isn't that exactly what they did in Hawaii as well? They prevented people from leaving. They prevented people from actually getting out. There we go, upside down. Ah, yeah, they're all behind it as usual. Put your comments in the bottom. Let me know what you think as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you can. And please share my videos as well if you'd like to. And please subscribe. Okay, and I will catch you all next time. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.